it's been, I would say, about 3 weeks since we got the car tuned. And if you guys didn't watch the last video, go ahead and check it out. We ended up making 535 wheel horsepower and 450 wheel and torque on 31 pounds E85. Car has HKS 272 cans, bolt-ons, AGT 62mm turbo, Radium dual hanger to 450 Walbro with the plumbing kit, tuned by the one and only DomTuned here in Las Vegas. So very, very excited about this to go in the ride with my wife. Are you excited?
You're more excited than I am.
I think this is the maybe what, the second, third time since you've been riding my car. No, maybe not though. Maybe so. She haven't rolled in my car once since we installed the AGT 62mm turbo, and she drove the car once but never really do hard pulls. So I'll do like maybe a couple pulls, see how it feels for her, and then if she wants to drive it, you know, she can. So I'm giving her the pass. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it, guys. Smell that E85.
Yes, it's giving me a headache.
It smells better than pump gas though, for sure. Second gear pull first, and then we'll start with the first gear after that, just to give you a taste. Goodness. Oh my, dude, that was freaking fun. Oh jeez.
Well, you should have gave me a warning.
Well, that's why I wanted to do that as a surprise. It's a whole different game for you. Then you're gonna be like, you want more power. Dude, that's it.
Maybe it's different if I was driving.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'll do one last pull and then I'll let you drive and get used to it. I don't know. No, you should try it. Honestly, don't like. I would highly recommend to you to drive this car. It'll be so safe to have you driving a 535 wheel horsepower. Whoo, jeez. At least you will have an idea of how fast of a car will be like once we get your car going. I never seen a big smile on your face. You hungry? I know. That's why I wanted to go over there and check it out. Look at all those kids.
No, but you didn't see all those ducks.
I did. There was a lot of them. anything under 500, it's like perfect, especially for you.
Nothing more.
Nothing more, yeah. Unless if you get so used to it, then we can turn it up. Oh, you want to punch it, didn't you? It's always next time.
It's okay. This guy wasn't even going in.
Oh man, we had a straightaway. So honey, what do you want to say about the whole experience on driving this fast car you say?
We can trade until you do my car.
What do you mean trade?
I use your car until you do my car.
Car got no AC, you're gonna die in the car.
Never mind.
But I will get
thank you.
I will
I'd
get the
rather
AC working. All I need is just a compressor. That's it. But
Okay. Did you give me a phone?
I gave you the phone. Thank you, honey. That was a good rip. So that is the plan. Like I said, we are planning to get Jalen's Evo tuned probably the end of the year. I do want to do some couple changes like turbo, exhaust, maybe upgrade the fuel system too is another one. It has like the stock intercooler piping as well to, you know, get the car ready to dyno with Dom. Like I said, under 500 wheel horsepower is like a perfect street car for her, especially, you know, I mean, once she gets used to with the power, then we can, you know, do some more changes or just turn up the boost, whatever it is. This was actually a fun experience for me personally to have my wife drive the car, and she has that rush in her, so I'm very pumped and she's motivated. I'm motivated itself too. Today was a good day. We are gonna be flying back to Hawaii on the Big Island. We have a ton of work that I gotta do, and Dom Ray is coming with us to tune some cars. We got about 13 cars that we gotta tune, and most of them are all-wheel drive, of course. I'm very excited to see everybody back home. Only gonna be staying for like a week and a half. So hopefully I have enough time to kind of hang out with friends and family. But I'm very excited to get some content over there and bring Dom with us and put Dom on the map on the Big Island. Hello guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.